In the last two altcoin seasons, some coins didn't just double. They didn't just 10x. They went up over 10,000%. And right now, the exact same trigger that started both of those insane runs is flashing again. Bitcoin dominance is falling. Fast. But here's the twist, most people still don't realize what this means, or how to position before the big moves start. And if you've ever told yourself, man, I wish I'd gotten in earlier, this could be your last warning. So, what exactly is happening under the surface of the crypto market? Why is this signal so powerful? And more importantly, what comes next for altcoins if the pattern repeats? Let's break it down. Think of the crypto market as one giant pie. Bitcoin dominance measures how much of that pie belongs to Bitcoin compared to the top 125 other cryptocurrencies. When dominance is rising, Bitcoin is hogging more of the market's capital. It's the star of the show. When it's falling, capital starts spilling into altcoins, lighting up sectors like DeFi, AI tokens, Layer 2s, gaming coins, and even meme coins. Right now, that number is moving down. Sharply. And if history's any guide, this is often the spark that sets entire altcoin sectors on fire. But here's the thing, it's not just the drop that matters. It's how and when it happens. And the setup we have in August 2025 is eerily similar to the exact conditions before the last two alt seasons. Back in early 2017, Bitcoin dominance was sitting above 90%. But over the next year, it collapsed to the mid-30s. That drop was the birth of the eco boom. Ethereum, XRP, and hundreds of new projects went vertical. Then in 2021, we saw it again. Bitcoin dominance fell from around 62% to 40% in just a few months. Altcoins didn't just outperform, they completely stole the spotlight. Some mid-caps exploded 50x, 100x, or more. And now, after nearly 2 years of Bitcoin dominance grinding higher, we've just seen its steepest monthly drop in over 3 years. Which brings us to today. At the start of July, Bitcoin dominance was around 68%. Today, it's hovering just above 61%. That's a 7% drop in a matter of weeks, the kind of move we only see when capital is actively rotating. And you can see it in the charts, ETH is gaining on BTC. Solana's broken out of its range. Layer 2 tokens are showing unusual strength. Even some old school coins like XRP and LTC are suddenly moving higher. At the same time, macro liquidity is expanding. The USM2 money supply is at record highs, over $22 trillion. Historically, when fresh liquidity hits risk assets, altcoins have been some of the biggest winners. So does this mean it's time to ape into every coin you can find? Not so fast. Because the way dominance falls tells you which stage of the cycle we're in, and which coins have the highest probability of big moves. Typically, it starts with ETH. Institutions are now buying ETH via ETFs, just like they did with BTC last year. Then, large caps, SOL, ADA, BNB, begin to run. After that, mid-caps and niche sectors explode. Think AI coins, gaming projects, and DeFi plays. And if the momentum holds, the final stage is pure speculation, small caps, microcaps, and meme coins that can double in a day. Or collapse just as fast. Right now, we're in the first rotation phase. ETH is leading, big caps are catching bids, and the mid caps are just starting to stir. If dominance breaks below 55%, that's usually the point where things get truly wild. And here's the part most people forget. In both 2017 and 2021, once Bitcoin dominance really started dropping, altcoins ran for months, even after BTC cooled off. Let's say BTC hits $150,000, a conservative target for many analysts this cycle. At 50% dominance, that puts the total crypto market cap at around $6 trillion. That leaves about $3 trillion for altcoins and stablecoins. Even if just a fraction of that chases high-quality alts, we're talking about market caps doubling, tripling, or more, without BTC having to move another dollar. But, and this is critical, the opportunities aren't spread evenly. In every cycle, a handful of sectors and coins take the lion's share of gains. So, how do you prepare without overexposing yourself? Follow the flow, track dominance alongside total crypto market cap. Falling dominance plus rising total cap equals capital entering alts. Stage your entries, start with large caps, then rotate into mids and smalls as the cycle matures. Avoid illiquid traps. In late stages, avoid going all in on microcaps that can rug overnight. Stay disciplined, have exit targets before you enter. Emotional decisions kill profits faster than a BTC flash crash. Because here's the truth, most people will only notice the alt season after it's halfway over. By then, the easy gains are gone, and the risk is sky high. If you've been waiting for your perfect entry, this setup might be as close as you'll ever get. If this helped you see the bigger picture, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which altcoin sector do you think will lead the charge if dominance keeps falling? Let's compare notes, because the earlier we position, the bigger the wave we can ride.